Good evening. How you doing? It's Saturday night. Feeling fine. How you doing? What you up to? My name is Amber Hopkins, and I am Punk Rock Earth Mother. I am a holistic health advocate, and I want to help you get healthier, live a healthier lifestyle, etc. How are you doing tonight? Give me a comment below and tell me how you're doing. Are you good? I hope you're good. I hope you're having fun. Hope you're relaxing and having a good time. About to watch a movie with my family, so I'm wearing my Metallica shirt. Really nice. Christmassy. You always smell like, like sprucey fir, and stuff like that, and think of Christmas, because I do, even though I don't really want to. But yeah, this is a good one. Anyway, this oil is great because it's good for pain, it's good for allergies, it's good for sore muscles, and has really good respiratory benefits too. So this is a really simple recipe. There's four different ingredients, 3 essential oils and 1 carrier oil. So what you're going to need is a 1 ounce bottle, a dropper bottle, or you can get one of those little flippy cappy ones, up to you. I like the dropper bottles because they're easier to deal with. Sometimes I'm a messy person though, so I'm just like flip the top and gush it all over the place. That's how I roll. So a 1 ounce bottle. You're going to need some jojoba oil, organic. Have you ever tried that? Really nice. This stuff is actually a wax. It's not really an oil, even though it presents as an oil, but it has the same oil, a very similar oil to what our skin actually produces on its own. So this is why it's really good for our skin. Then we're going to need eucalyptus radiata, a type of eucalyptus, black spruce, and clary sage. So it's really simple. So what we're just going to do is have our little dropper bottle. We're going to put almost full 1 ounce of jojoba oil in there. Just going to squeeze it out of here. Yes, sir. It's going to be awesome. I've been having a lot of back pain lately, and I don't know why. I think it's our mattress. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm going to use this tonight. I'm going to rock some better back pain. I always stretch. I do my yoga before bed and like stretch out and everything. Do you guys have back pain? Or do you do yoga? Let me know if you do yoga. So I was going to do a great video on it, because yoga actually has really great benefits for everybody, and not just like stretches, but actually other benefits as well. So I'm going to do that next time. Anyway, I do my yoga before bed, and that helps my back a lot. But then, I don't know, lately it's been hurting. So anyway, 1 ounce, almost completely full, jojoba. Then you're going to put 10 drops of the black spruce in. I'm going to smell like Christmas. Actually, it's got a different smell to it. It's not quite Christmassy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can't talk and count. Like a kindergarten thing when you like learn to count and you're like sticking your tongue out and counting really high. Yeah, I'm there. Okay, 10 drops of that. 3 drops of clary sage. Clary sage is one that we use for hormones. So this will be good for your hormones too, apparently. Just a little bit, 1, 2, 3 drops. So 3 drops in 1 ounce is not very much. And then 4 drops of the eucalyptus radiata. Now, black spruce and radiata are both really good for respiratory problems and soothing those types of issues. However, you want to, if somebody has asthma, they need to test it first. Like, give it a whiff from far away and see if it makes them feel tighter, because it can irritate people with asthma. It can actually make their muscles clench up and their lungs close up a little bit. So give it a try first. Also, not safe for kids. Some of the safety data is still, it's showing that it can cause problems in kids and their respiration. There's been some problems with kids. Anyway, I'm not going to elaborate too much on that, but just I wouldn't use eucalyptus with kids. And the black spruce is the same because it's got similar properties in it. So this one, anyway, let me continue on that same line. Yeah, so be careful with the black spruce. Let somebody with asthma give it a try first, okay? If it does make you start to feel tight, don't use it. Get it out of your house, okay? So what I was going to say is the black spruce, it has a boryl acetate in it. And that is analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and a sedative. So this is what's going to lend some of this like pain relief, anti-inflammatory relief, and sedative relief to this actual blend. So that'll be nice, right before bed, nice and soothing. And then the eucalyptus has really similar properties. So arthritis, aches and pains, anti-inflammatory. It's got a warming property to it. So it's antibacterial. It is antifungal, and it's a decongestant. But again, be really careful on pets and kids and people with respiratory like asthma, okay? Be careful. Anyway, so now we have our awesome blend. I'm not gonna shake it, but I am gonna turn it up and down so to mix it really well. And then, you always make sure you squeeze it a few times to make sure it's mixed up in there, because you don't want to just put a blob of eucalyptus on the back of your body, because your body will be like, whoa, shock, twisted in shock, okay? So, any questions? How was your Saturday? Are you feeling good? Are you having a good night? I hope you get to watch a movie or do something fun, and I will talk to you tomorrow. I'm going to talk about something really fun tomorrow. Yeah, awesome. So thanks for tuning in. I love you. Give me a comment below. I'd love for you to hit that heart button. Just nail it. I'd love that. So thank you. And I will feeling saucy. Yes. Are you always feeling saucy? Curious minds want to know. Always? Most of the time? Tell me, Gina. Okay. Talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.